Today I'm sharing my experience using the Hefty Slider jumbo storage bags in the 2.5 gallon size. These bags really came in handy when I needed a quick solution for marinating some baby back ribs. One of the best things about these bags is their size. They're jumbo size, which means I could fit 2 full slabs of baby back ribs into one bag comfortably. It's great for larger cuts of meat, big meal prep batches, or when you just need the extra space. What I appreciate about these Hefty bags is that they're really durable. Even after packing them with ribs and marinade, the bag stayed strong, and I didn't have to worry about it tearing or leaking. The slider seals smoothly, keeping everything contained, which means no messy spills in the fridge. Another feature that stands out is the slider. It's sturdy and easy to close with one hand, which is a lifesaver when you're dealing with raw meat or messy marinades. You just slide it across and it locks in place with a satisfying click, so you know it's sealed. While I used it for marinating ribs this time, these bags are versatile. You can use them for storing large leftovers, organizing freezer items, or even packing bulky things like snacks for a picnic. If you're careful, you can rinse and reuse them for less messy storage tasks. Overall, I'd recommend these Hefty Slider jumbo storage bags if you're looking for a reliable option for large-scale marinating, storing, or organizing. They've got the durability, size, and convenience to make prepping big meals much easier. And one last thing, they're microwave safe as well.